guys, I'm Manisha and welcome to our channel. So today I'm share with you traditional Bengali makeup look. So let's start the video. So here I have already prepped my skin and filled my eyebrow in offline. So first I will apply primer, and this primer is from Swiss Beauty Cosmetic. Now I will use orange color corrector, and this color corrector is from Inside Pro Conceal Palette. So I will apply this on my dark circle and pigmentation area. After this I will apply foundation, and this foundation is from Maybelline Fit Me and its shade is 220. After this I will using concealer, and this concealer is from Swiss Beauty Cosmetic and its shade is 02.7. So I will apply on my highlights area. Next I will contour, and I am going to put this on my forehead, cheekbone, jawline and nose area. Next I will apply blush on my cheeks, and this blush is from Inside Cosmetic and its shade is 01 Soft Salmon. Now I will using this loose powder, and this is loose powder is from Mars Cosmetic and its shade is soft light. So I will do baking on my face. Now I will do eye makeup. This eyeshadow palette, and this eyeshadow palette is from Mario Cosmetic eye makeup palette. So first I am going to apply the light brown shade as a transition shade. After that I will apply a dark brown shade to my crease line. Next I will use the black shade on my outer corner. Next I will apply the brown shimmer shade on my eyelid. Next I will apply eyeliner, and this eyeliner is from Maybelline New York liner. Next I am using bold black kajal on my lower waterline, and this kajal is from Sugar Cosmetic. Now I am using some mascara, and this mascara is from Mars Cosmetic. Now I am applying my favorite red lipstick. This lipstick is from Nykaa Cosmetic. Its shade is 30 Mumtal. After this, lock my all over makeup base with makeup fixer, and this makeup fixer is from Swiss Beauty. Next I apply some highlighter on my highlights area, and this highlighter is from Swiss Beauty highlighter.
So here I am wearing some gold jewelry and with pink color saree. So this is my final look. I hope you guys like this video. So tell me in the comments how did you guys like this look. Thanks for watching video and see you again in the next video. So bye.